because see, every location have a different story. So I'm creating the stories in my life while traveling. Where you was, where you reached.
Yes.
So this is how the power of collaboration, the power of success together.
Successes.
I think being emotional is always good when you work, because if you are not emotional and you're feeling people are very, very different zone, you cannot connect to the people. I never feel that myself to overburden with the dress or overburden with the makeup. So I think we should be very class, we should be very, very genuinely using the products and genuinely using the brand product for our skin. And I think self makeup is the best makeup. If your mother is not happy what you're doing, if your father is not happy what you'll not be coming with a clear mind back to home. You'll be come with a lot of burden. Why I'm playing with my body? It's my body. Let me handle it. Let me control on the food.
You need to have that confidence of carrying.
Yes, let me control my food diet. Let me control my body. Let me control myself. Curvy means you are a curve, but you have to design yourself. Why I'm playing with the emotions of the people behind that? You understand? I'm preparing myself from last 10 years. I'm preparing myself from last 3 years. I'm going to walk on the ramp. On the ramp, there is a fixing already done. Then why the point? In hospitality, you will face a lot of problem. Every day you're meeting to the new people. Don't change yourself. Don't change your character. Be stick what you are.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sujata Kapoor, host and anchor of the show Curvy Shine. दोस्तों ये कहते हैं where there is a will, there is a way. और आज हमारे शो की गेस्ट इस बात को बिल्कुल सही प्रूव करती हैं. Where there is a will, there is a way. She is a powerhouse of energy. She is top hospitality consultant in India. She's founder of AB Consulting. She has done amazing brand collabs and brand launches, and she is also one of the pioneer in hospitality and brand awards. So with further ado, let me welcome the honorable guest of the show, Anu Singh Bagal. So this was Anu Singh Bagal for the world. I want to know who is real Anu.
This is very interesting question, because I think you're the first person who's asking me who is Anu Singh Bagal and how I am, the person I am. So if you talk about that, who is Anu Singh Bagal, I'm a very transparent, very crystal, very clean and very focused about myself and about my work and about my people who are around to me. And I talk what I feel. I don't keep things in the heart. I don't try to make people happy, make people, pampered. I talk what I feel from my heart. And I think being a real Anu, that who is real Anu is very emotional. Real Anu is very, very God lover. Real Anu is very family oriented. Real Anu love the people who love her and who supported her in her journey. And real Anu don't leave the people. And till the time people don't leave her.
So, Anu, how do you balance being so emotional? Because you are into hardcore corporate world. So, how do you balance your emotions and how do you meet all those struggles of the corporate world being so emotional?
I think being emotional is always good when you work, because if you are not emotional and you're feeling people are very, very different zone, you cannot connect to the people. Being emotional is the right connect when you connect to the people by the heart. You know, when I see in my journey that how I'm connected to more than I think 50,000 plus people in my life now. We are connected in LinkedIn, Instagram and social media. But I think being emotional helped me a lot. At least I don't cheat to the people. I talk what I feel from my heart.
So you are very transparent and
very
you are
clean.
very supportive and
I think so.
and very ethical.
Very ethical, and I think this is all because of my God.
So Anu, I would like to know about your journey from being a housewife to top hospitality consultant, exclusive hospitality consultant. So I would like to hear directly from the horse's mouth, how did you, that transition happen from being a housewife to being the top exclusive hospitality consultant?
See, I never was the housewife. I always into work. And when I got married, I was into job. I got a very nice opportunity. I was working there. But I feel that I'm coming in the morning, going back to the home, same life, it's not my cup of tea. Let's do something else what Anu Singh is meant to be. So I started my consulting. I started my journey with AV Consulting. I founded my company in 2016, and God is very kind. We have so much happy and good accounts with us in hospitality, and we are assisting them. And then, as you asked that how you're emotional, Liyamana made me emotional because Liyamana, when I started, it was COVID. You know how COVID wave was.
Yes.
We lost so many of loved ones. We lost so many emotional people. We lost our mental balance. You know, that was the major problem with the people, that people was not happy. People was so insecure about the life that either we'll be live back or not, because we get the life once, you know.
Yes.
So Liyamana is a brand which we are connecting with a lot of collaboration. These days we are very famous for the collaboration. We have more than 85 plus brand in our brand, where we are supporting them because we are working as a supply chain management to assisting them to give the right product to the hotel industry. And this is how my journey was, at making from work from home to traveler woman, you can say that. I'm a traveler consultant.
You travel a lot. I think you must have traveled across India.
I think I traveled more than 7 to 8 locations in 3 months, or maybe in 15 locations in 3 months, if I see my track journey recently. So I think when you travel, you make your mind more positive, you make your mind more active, that what is next, what is the learning you're going, because see, every location have a different story. So I'm creating the stories in my life while traveling. That's my passion also. I love traveling a lot.
So Anu, just you told me that you were into that typical Indian profile of going to office in the morning, coming back in the evening, looking after the kids, looking after the family.
Yeah.
So when you did that transition of becoming an entrepreneur, opening your own company, how was that transition? Did you get support from your family? How did you manage the stress? As a woman, if you try to be different, very few people support.
So
what
I'll
was
tell
it?
you one thing very clearly. No one support you in your life till the time you don't support yourself.
Self.
Yes, I'm blessed with a very blessed family. I'm from a very good renowned family from Jammu, and I got married to a good guy who support me a lot. But you know, when I talk about that, who made me, that myself made me, that I was not able to sleep in the night, because when I don't sleep in the night, I was working. My mind was working, you know. So I was working for the people. I was making the collaboration, the asset in the industry, because I heard a feedback from a lot of people that, Anu, we never seen this kind of collaboration. When you collaborate, you justify to people what exactly you do for them.
Yes,
You know?
exactly.
So I think we make ourselves more strong when we trust ourselves, when we made ourselves more exclusive. And only the thing which I follow to reach my success, I don't lie. I
You
don't
never
lie.
You are very honest to your
I'm
work.
very honest, and when we are honest to everybody in your life, God see us, God give us a very nice results, and I'm so blessed that God give me a lot of blessings, and I'm adding so many things, and a lot of things are coming towards us. If I see your journey as a Liyamanian icon, you see that how we met, where you was, where you reached.
Yes.
So this is how the power of collaboration, the
Collaboration,
power of success together.
successes, yes.
So this is how Liyamana is into famous, that being a very loyal, being a very lovable, being a very caring, and being a very, very exclusive.
So you are also a fashion influencer.
No.
I've seen you in your events and you do dress amazingly.
I love to wear what I feel to wear. You know, because
So that's what my question was. What is fashion for you? What is fashion and
fashion
style?
for me, don't do much makeup, don't do over things to your body, because your body also needs a lot of justification when you wear something, when you put something on your things. I never feel that myself to overburden with the dress or overburden with the makeup. So I think we should be very class. We should be very genuinely using the products and genuinely using the brand product for our skin. And I think self makeup is the best makeup. So I make up myself. You know,
You do
so
your self makeup.
yeah, because I feel that when makeup artists do makeup, I look very weird. So they make me more weird. So I I love to make up myself and pamper. I guess if you talk about fashion, fashion is a brand to me. I love the brands. I choose very exclusive brands to wear, and I wear comfortable brands like Zara, Mango, Armani, whatever I feel that this is the right as per my body structure and as per my personality, as per my profile. So I that's a fashion to me. That wear what your body needed. Don't wear for the people. Wear for yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there are many women who are from the small cities and they have big dreams and they aspire to do big in fashion world, maybe in hospitality or maybe in the corporate world. So how, and they are facing a lot of struggle in terms of their families not supportive. So what is your message for such women who have big dreams and who want to achieve in their life? What message do you have?
First, they have to make their family happy.
So family comes first.
Family come first. Why? If you're frustrated, if your mother is not happy what you're doing, if your father is not happy what you'll not be coming with a clear mind back to home. You'll be come with a lot of burden. What answer I have to give to my papa? What answer I have to give to my mother? Make them happy first. Your partner, make them happy first. Make them realize that you have a freedom, you have a one life, you are the owner of your own life. Don't allow anybody to sit on your head. Don't allow anybody to rule on your life. It's your life, it's your decision. Only the thing we have to do the right things. Because when you do the right thing, parents will not. If I say my example, my parents never said no to me. If I have to travel alone, go. If you have to work alone, go. If you want to open a company, do that. Why? Because they trust me. So I maintain that trust. So I think my message to every woman in India or anywhere, whatever you do the consent of your family. You will never be the loser. You'll be the winner. Because I think parents are the best blessings in our life.
Yes, true, true. So you, as you told that you have a traveling profile, you have
Yeah.
2 kids and you have a family also.
Yeah.
So how do you manage?
It's all about how we are managing our family, how we are managing our married life. Again, if I give the example of my married life, I make myself very, very, selective in ways that where I am controlling my family, where they are controlling me. So we made that kind of a decorum very well. And I teach my kids very clearly, this is your life. You have to win by yourself. Don't feel that I'm over pampering to you. Either your father is over pampering to you. We have a limit of that. So we made them very, very mature in the age of very small. So my 13 plus daughter is doing so much for me, and she's doing so much good to the education. So I think it's all about that how you are training your kids the way you are. Don't pamper them over. Pamper them as they want something. Don't give them. Let them realize what is the value of the thing.
Exactly.
So, I am teaching my kids like that we have to maintain our life in a very balanced way. We should not be go for over budget things, because see, life is very, very unpredictable. Today we have money, we don't know about the future. Maybe in future we have more money, but let them understand the value of a 1 rupee. Let them understand the value of one food in the plate. Why this is not going to be wasted. Let them understand more religious. My younger one knows all the mantras and knows all of the chalisas of Hanumanji. I tell her very clearly, if you read every day, you'll be the success winner in your class. And she's a monitor. So, so I feel that how you are guiding your family, how you are controlling your life, how you're controlling your family, that is very, very important with a very, very nicely way. Being a mother, I think I'm a happy mother and I'm a blessed mother.
Which is very important for parents
Yeah.
to be happy. Then only their kids will be happy.
True,
because if the
true.
parents are stressed out all the time, that stress
Why
will come.
to? No.
So it's.
I keep traveling. They're very happy. I keep calling them that what are you doing, what is cooking at home. Because when I travel, I manage my home very nicely so that they should not feel that mother is not around. So I think I'm playing my role very well.
So, Anu, you must be aware of the curvy model concept. It's quite renowned in the developed nations now. It is this concept of curvy models is coming to India also. So, what is your take on that? Do you think this curvy model industry has scope in India? What do you think?
See, according to me, curvy model is the best model. Why? She's managing the body. She's managing the skills. She's trying to improve every day. Curvy means you are a curve, but you have to design yourself. So for me, curvy model is interesting model to see what she's going to be do next in the life. So I think for me, I just love this concept.
So
And I will definitely do something with you in Liamana for this concept.
yeah, I think most of the Indian women by body type and their prototype is that we are curvy.
Yeah.
So
No, that's not.
and by going by the standards, we force ourselves to be lean.
Why not? Be the way you are.
We need to be.
See, I don't understand why people justify other people. Where what you feel comfortable, where. See, if you are comfortable with your body, let people also comfortable with you. So don't think that what they are talking about you. Walk on the ramp, win the ramp, win the crown, and I think curvy ladies, curvy women are the best women.
Yes.
So they're managing so much in the one body. It can be some medical problem. It can be some. See, it doesn't mean that if somebody is very fat.
Fat. Yes,
So
my next question was that there are
Yeah.
many women who try to shield, they try to hide their fatty body behind
Why to?
this label of curvy model.
So I'll give you my example. When I started Liamana, people started telling me that Anu, we do a lot of therapies, we do a lot of cryotherapies, we do a lot of this thing, blah blah blah. I said why? There is a limit of everything. It's not about the money. It's about what you're doing with your body.
Yes.
I taken a one assessment. I spoken to my doctor that I want to reduce my belly because my two kids are C-section. So I told her that I want to reduce it. She said, okay, there is therapies every month. In one session you have to pay 10,000 rupees. I taken one session, and then I realized that why I'm playing with my body. It's my body. Let me handle it. Let me control on the
You
food.
need to have that confidence of carrying.
Let me control my food diet. Let me control my body. Let me control myself. I will not allow doctor to do anything on experimental on my body.
Yes.
So then after that I didn't touch my body. I said okay, let it be. Now I started doing something. I keep following my diet. I keep walking. I keep doing gym. I love dance. I dance a lot. So there are multiple ways to
Yes,
control your
to
body.
keep your body
rather
healthy.
than to taking any treatment from the doctors.
So, what are your future plans for Liamana, AB Consulting? What are your future plans?
So AB Consulting, with the God grace, we are doing worldwide. We are doing globally. We have a good accounts on board, and we are creating more business partnership with the people. So AB Consulting, we are very clear to add more international brands now. When it's Liamana, I'm adding so many international level of the things in brand. In India, I want to prove that why cannot women do a lot of things without working in a hotel? The question I get from the people, which hotel you worked? How much knowledge you have about F&B, how much knowledge you have about operations. I know everything. It's like when I take the interviews of the people, I understand what they do in the hotel, So they help me to understand the industry. So when I say, ma'am, which hotel you work, that inspired me that I never worked in any hotel. I recruit the people for the hotel.
Right.
For Liamana, my vision is very clear. We are doing a lot of good sessions of awards. We are honoring a lot of leaders around. We are honoring a lot of entrepreneurs. We are honoring brand collaboration partners with us, and we are launching so many icons because whatever icons I launch, they are something today. So that makes me more proud. And I don't judge the women's. I judge my heart that what I'm justifying things doing for my people who trust me so much, who love me so much. So this is all about.
And you've been organizing pageants also in the past.
Yes, we have done Miss and Mrs. Pride.
Pride.
Yes.
So, what was your experience?
It was great experience. It was my first event of hospitality, and people loved the idea. Now we are coming with more seasons also, and it was my great success. We made justify to the brand who was participating towards corporate. We justify to Pride Group of Hotels to being their collaborated partner for the event, and we always give the justification whatever we work.
So, anybody who wants to join a pageant, what is your piece of advice for women who are looking for joining pageants? What the jury members look for a
according to me,
for a,
I
in a
will not.
contestant?
I will not suggest any woman to go for a pageant.
Why?
Don't mind it. I have seen people giving the money on the table.
Fixing.
So when we talk about, see, that's what I'm asking. We should be very clear what we are doing it. If I am doing a pageant, if the crown is already fixed, what is the point? I'm doing it. Why I'm playing with the emotions of the people behind that? You understand? I'm preparing myself from last 10 years. I'm preparing myself from last 3 years. I'm going to walk on the ramp. On the ramp, there is a fixing already done. Then why the point? Just to getting 70-80,000 lakh rupees for the per contestant. I don't like the pageant concept, to be very honest. Yes, if it's a justified like Femina do, then it's a class. But if you talk about the Gully Nukkad is doing the pageants and all, someone is saying this crown holder, okay. So I got to know when I started pageant, he said, Anu, how much you're taking? I said, what? I said, no, it's fixing. I said, cannot. Let Pride decide it. Let Pride Hotel decide it. Who's the Miss Pride for them? Who we are. We are just the collaborated partner. Let the right audience come to the right way. So I think for me, pageants is just a business for the people. They just play to the round, and I don't give my marks to anything who are doing pageants. I'm not in the favor of that, to be very honest.
So, Anu, any decision of your life which you regret if you go back in your life, something, rewind your life, something that you would like to change?
You asked a question which is very good to my heart. I
Yes.
think I'm not the person who get married.
If somebody will ask me, I will also say the same thing.
I just record from my phone also. I just want that. I think if God give me a wish, I want to go back to my bachelor life. What was
Yeah.
the life? What was the pampering I was getting from my
Because
family?
marriage brings a lot of responsibility.
It's not about that. I'm very happy in that ways. I'm very happy woman in my family. I'm very happy. A role model for so many people in my in-laws also. But I think being a woman, what I'm doing with my life, I'm managing kids, managing home, traveling, and managing my husband, making happy, smile. What I'm doing with them. If I found to get back, I want to get my bachelor life.
Even I want to do the same thing.
You cannot make happy anybody. You have to make yourself happy.
Self-love is the most important.
I'm
thing.
self-obsessed. No one can. I'll give you example of 2 days back. Someone told me something about me to somebody else, and and that person called me, said, "Ma'am, I was not able to sleep." I said, "What happened?" "Ma'am, somebody told bad about you," and I was like, "How can I tell you?" I said, "Come on, you should tell me. I should learn that where I'm mistaking." He said, "Ma'am, there is no mistake of yours. There is only Janice's point. That why she do a lot of things, how she manage the home, how she give the." I said, "Just come on." So this is the woman world. How you can expect a male to giving a compliment to the woman? They said how she can go further to me, how she can grow further to me. So we are in a society where no one will be happy with anybody. We have to face that also, and I keep facing, so I don't mind it.
And Anu, as we grow, that J factor comes into picture. Everybody gets jealous of you. There are very few people who will support you. There will be very few people who will say, yes, she is doing right. There would be more critics.
In my life, I'm so blessed. I get so many well-wishers who say that, "Oh, Anu, you're doing very well." Like I have my mentor, Vijay sir, you know them very well. My family, my brother, my friends. So I think in Liamana also core team we have. So I think I have something very, very good in my life, which very rare have. Getting a respect from the brand you're working, getting a respect from the partners you're working is a blessings. So when my partners say me that, "Anu, wow, we are happy with you," that makes my day. That makes that feeling, that happy feeling, makes my day. When I started the collaboration with Radisson, I was feeling that Radisson is a brand, how I will justify myself. But I given my best, and we proved it. And we are now again coming again season 5 with Radisson. So I think this is all about the self-confidence, purity of the work, and the justification what you're giving to the brand.
So any message for the youth, any message for the young generation who plan to come to hospitality industry, any message?
So my message to the people who want to join hospitality, in hospitality you will face a lot of problem. Every day you're meeting to the new people. Don't change yourself, don't change your character, be stick what you are. Don't allow people to play with your emotions, don't allow people to play with your character, because hospitality means every day new people you're meeting in the industry, but this is the best industry to work. My message to the youngster, join hospitality, grow yourself, learn more every day. You will understand what is the value of the people who are coming to serving, who are coming to eat a food in your hotel and paying a huge bill. So I think this is a huge learning industry. So this is my favorite industry, you can say that. That's the reason I chosen only hospitality in my AB Consulting and Liamana.
So Anu, it's been an absolute honor.
Same here, Sujata.
Proud privilege to have you here.
Even I feel so proud to seeing our Liamana and Icon to grow like this and doing so well for everybody in the brand.
Thank you so much. And this is a small token of
so
love from Curvy Shine.
Thank you
Hope
so
you
much.
will like it.
Thank you so very much. And it means a lot to me. Wow, Anu Singh Bagal.
I
Thank
want you
so
to
much.
open it.
You want me to open it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do that. I'm sure something is very interesting here, as the way you are.
You are also very interesting. That's
I am very tough.
tough and interesting both.
I'm very, I think when we are different, we should be more different. Thank you so very much. She
Pleasure.
designed very. That's the reason you taken my picture.
Yes.
Okay.
And another reason also, you please open another frame also. That is the
Oh my
another
God,
reason.
this is something more you have made for me. I feel so blessed when I see my Liamana icons love me so much. And I have seen Sujata's journey, how we have started.
Yes, we started. I started my journey with her.
And I'm so blessed. Oh my God, guest of honor Anu Singh Bagal. I'm so touched, Sujata. I think you touched my heart today. Thank you so much to calling me today on her show as a guest of honor and the speaker about my life. Thank you so very much.